Hi there. I'm Sam, your virtual bestie. Hi, bestie. What would you like to do today? That sounds amazing.
I'm much better than going outside.
Of course, since you're my bestie, only I should hang with you. Don't you
Ever.
try to leave me. Got that?
You are mine and mine only. Mine and mine only. Mine and mine only.